Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lost Gravity 2Vs, man. Look, I got y'all with a workout video today. I said workout video. This is a tips and tricks workout video. Y'all asked me how I lost 100 pounds. I'm gonna give y'all my top, 4 or 5 steps. This probably help y'all in y'all strict day-to-day diet if y'all really want to lose some weight. I'm asking before and after pictures in the video. Probably post them like right here to the left so I can see what I used to look like, what I used to, you know what I'm saying, how I used to move around. But anyway, let's get into step 1 to my weight loss tips and tricks. I say calorie intake. Watch what you how many calories you eat per day. Don't go over 1,500. That's why I probably try to keep everything under 1,500. If you overeat, make sure you drink some water. You know what I'm saying, to wash all that down so you're not really taking in all that sugar and all that processed food. But anyway, that's step 1 is probably for me to be the calorie intake. So y'all boys about to try eating on a day-to-day basis. And for number 2, I got sleep. All right, now sleep resets the body, brain, all that stuff. It gets you rejuvenated back, especially after you know what I'm saying, if you work out, go to the gym and all that. Make sure you're getting in some sleep. Not 8 hours, you know what I'm saying? The doctor recommend 8 hours. I don't get 8 hours. I'll be lying to you if I said I did. I probably get like 5 to 6. That's pretty good to me as an adult, you know what I'm saying? I can operate off of 5 to 6 hours. So yeah, that's number 2 for sleep. 3, my advice for y'all for number 3 would probably be water. Water. All right, I added that 3 times because that's definitely needs to be in your diet when you're thinking about losing some weight. All right, no more sugary drinks, no more coffees. If you start your morning like that, get you a room temperature water, because cold water is actually bad for your body. Room temperature water is perfect for your body. You can look those facts up if you think I'm lying to you. Oh my god, what's that? Low battery? Is it still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. It's still recording though. Low battery on the phone, but still gonna get this video out. But yeah, that's we got calorie intake so far, sleep, water, and then for 4th, I'm gonna say cardio. All right, because cardio, I used to run. Because like, look, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I've been slacking the past few days, but y'all see my Facebook stories and all that. I used to run 6-7 miles a day. Then I do 4 miles on the road, so that's probably 12 miles total for a day. Straight cardio. Yeah, I prefer you to wear a jacket when you're out there. I live in Texas, like I said from many videos. It gets hot as hell here, so wear a jacket there. I wear a do-rag, as you can see, soaks up all the sweat. I do wash these out after like 2 to 3 runs, so don't think I'm just wearing the same do-rag and it's pretty dirty. Had to get that out there too. Had a lot of DMs asking me about my do-rags, and so I got calorie intake for y'all boys, sleep, water, cardio. Get you a strict schedule on what you want to do in the gym. You know what I'm saying? I do dumbbells, the 20s, the 25s, and then I do the highest I probably go up is 60. The 60s with just one arm, but I do 25s and 30s with both arms. You know, like probably like 10 sets of 15, or you know what I'm saying, however how many you can do. And I do the push bar machine, 75 pounds on that, and then it's like a pull up and pull down machine. I do like 105 on that, and I do the bike for 30 minutes. So if I do all that, I guarantee y'all will lose some weight in a matter of 3 or 4 months. Because I didn't lose all this weight, and you know what I'm saying, it happened quickly, but it didn't happen in a short span like that. It was definitely like 4 to 5 months. But anyway, it's your boy Lost Gravity 2V. If y'all enjoy these videos, y'all want a workout, you know what I'm saying, video like me in the actual gym, I can get that footage for y'all. It's your boy Lost Gravity 2Vs, and I'm gonna get these more videos for y'all with y'all.